let's say someone gives me $10 for some reason. I take that $10 and I'm thankful to that person. I'm thankful for receiving that $10, and I'm thankful to the universe for setting that arrangement or creating the situations that set that arrangement up. And in that moment, I'm just so appreciative of all of this at all times. And so now you're sending out, this is why it works, or this is how it benefits you. You are sending out vibrations of gratitude, of course, of appreciation, but you're also sending out signs that are telling the universe that, hey, I want more of this. I'm so happy, I am pleased, I'm appreciative. You're sending out higher vibration signals, higher vibratory signals. And so what happens is, once you start living in that state of gratitude, that state of appreciation, like consistently, we know the law of attraction, what we focus on expands. You're focusing on always receiving the things that you need to receive to help your journey. Once you start living into that mode, you start receiving even more, because your mindset, your soul is expanding on receiving and being grateful and appreciative for the receiving. Once you receive anything, you have to place yourself in that mind state, place yourself spiritually in that state of appreciation, and more doing that will cause more appreciation to start to happen for you.